Good morning. The Indian Evidence Act deals with a burden of proof chapter. It commences from 105 of Evidence Act, 101 from 101 onwards. The onus of proof commences, and which has to be proved, which has to be uh, believed, which is should be presumed, may presume, shall presume. All these things are important. Therefore, the advocates who are appearing for eligibility exam must concentrate from 101 to 113B, which has to be, there may be a multi number of questions in that particular chapter so far Evidence Act is concerned, and particularly presumption of legitimacy of the child. But I would like to share this judgment with you. This is regarding dowry death. This is Ravi Shah vs. State 2023, Part 1, Law Weekly Criminal, 758 Madras. Ravi Shah vs. State 2023, Part 1, Law Weekly Criminal, 758 Madras. The judgment says it is the duty of the prosecution to prove that the death of the wife occurred within 7 years of date of marriage. Number one. Number two, there was a demand of dowry. So immediately the owner shipped on accused to prove that the death was for any other reason. So you have to prove that by producing evidence or cross-examination, whatever it may be. So it is very tough for, and that apart, the another case wherein if the death was inside the matrimonial home, that itself does not mean that 113A presumption that the death was subject to cruelty. The duty of the prosecutor is that prima facie to establish but without leaving the entire thing to the court to presume facts. This judgment it's R. Manigandan vs. State 2023, Part 2, then be MLJ 245 Madras. R. Manigandan vs. State 2023, Part 2, MLJ 245 Madras. So these both judgments are most important to claim that whose duty to prove what, and thereafter how burden shifts on accused under section 113B. So 113B is after amendment for matrimonial crimes. Best wishes.